Welcome back to another book haul. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the new books that have been added to my bookshelf lately. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, I am Shalu. Welcome to my channel where I post videos related to books. If you are new here, then do subscribe to my channel for new bookish videos every week. As I mentioned before, today's video is a book haul video where I'll show you the latest additions to my bookshelf. I'm not buying too many books these days because I want to read the unread books on my shelf first. So this is going to be a short haul in which I am going to show you the books that I purchased and the books that have been sent to me by publishers. So without further ado, let's get started. The first book is A Princess Remembers by Maharani Gayatri Devi. This is a memoir by the late Maharani Gayatri Devi of Jaipur. She was considered as one of the most beautiful women of the world. I remember watching her interviews on television and admiring her even though she was of a considerable age by then. So elegant, graceful, sophisticated, charming, enigmatic and knowledgeable. I doubt if words could do her justice. I'm really looking forward to reading this one. The next book is Furiously Happy by Jenny Lawson. This is again a memoir but a humorous one, tinged with just enough tragedy to make it worthwhile. The author talks about her experience with severe mental depression and a host of other health conditions and explains how it has led her to live her life to the fullest. I have heard so many good things about the book that I'm really curious. And this book cover. This is enough to lift my spirits. Hope it lives up to my expectations. The next three books were sent to me by Pen Macmillan India. The first book is Prisoner's Dilemma by Vish Dhamija. I have already read this book. This is a story about two best friends who both lead equally pointless lives. But that doesn't stop them from dreaming big and getting rich fast. They both plan to rob a van full of cash and manage to get away with a loot of over 100 crore rupees. But both of them get arrested within a few days. But the cash is nowhere to be found. The premise sounded interesting, but the book is quite average. The next book is Turn a Blind Eye by Jeffrey Archer. This is the third book in William Warwick series. A novel by Jeffrey Archer is always a reason for some excitement, and I'm really keen on reading this one. I haven't read the first two books in the series, but since it is detective fiction, I hope it can be read as a standalone. The next book is Invictus by Nidhi Sharma. Invictus is an inspirational autobiographical account of surviving in a jungle as 13 years old. 6 army children go missing near the jungles surrounding a remote Indian military base near the Indo-China border. They must find their way out of the jungle before sunset. Seems like quite an interesting one. Thank you Pen Macmillan India for these lovely books. The next book is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Now this book needs no introduction. This is one of the most popular best-selling self-help books. I already have this book and got this one as a gift. The next book is High on Kasol by Aditya Kant. The author is a senior journalist from Chandigarh who makes his debut as an author with this crime thriller. High on Kasol is a thriller set in the backdrop of Kasol, which is a small hamlet in Kullu Valley, also known as Mini Israel. The book deals with the issue of drug trafficking and the mysterious disappearances of foreigners from the valley in the past several years. Seems like quite an engaging one. Thank you Aditya Kanji for sending me a copy. The next book is Tarot Secrets Unveiled by Dr. Arun Bansal and Rachita Gupta Ravera. Not many of you know that apart from books, my other passion is tarot. I've recently started another channel where I post videos related to tarot and astrology. If you haven't subscribed to that channel, then please do so. The link will be in the description box. Now coming to the book. If you want to learn tarot, then this is a good book to start. The 78 tarot cards are explained in detail along with their meanings and symbolism. The next book is Tarot Remedies and Healings by Dr. Arun Bansal and Rachita Gupta Ravera. This book is for medium to advanced level learners. In this book, the authors have talked about reversals, astrological and numerological associations of tarot, crystals, angel and various tarot remedies. I have quite a collection of books on astrology, tarot and other occult sciences. Do let me know if you want to see my collection and I'll surely make a video about it. The next book is What the Pandemic Learned from Me by Anindita Das. This book talks about life in lockdown and corona era in a fun way. Seems like a light-hearted read. Thank you Anindita Das for sending me a copy of your book. And the last book is The Sisters of Reckoning by Charlotte Nicole Davis. This fantasy adventure is a sequel to The Good Luck Girls. I'm thankful to the publishers for sending me the advanced reader's copy. So that's all for today. Which books have you purchased lately? Do share with me in the comments section. And if you have enjoyed this haul, then please like, comment and share. And if you want to see more bookish videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Until my next video, bye and take care.